When you networking yourself as an independent welder, you're going to have to start thinking outside of the box. You can't think like a average worker or an employee because you don't operate that way. You have to network yourself differently. So you have to know how to post a couple ads, knowing how to get some flyers, some brochures, or some cards or whatever you need. Pass out, do some good jobs. Uh, Pass out your contact with other contractors, other welders, other fabricators, different business owners. It's just you just network. I mean, sometimes you might do small jobs, big jobs, little jobs, but it all pays. So don't think small and think like, hey, I just got to have these big contracts or get these big jobs. Sometimes it might be small jobs that pay big money. So be humble, network yourself, and be willing to travel. You know, be willing to get out here and jump on this road, man, and get that money because that's going to set you aside from other people. Because a lot of people want to lay back and chill and relax and be lazy, and thinking that it's just going to fall in their lap. And you know, right now it just ain't going to happen like that. You got to come out here and go get it on your own. You know what I mean? So all I would say is always network and be willing to, you know, get up and out and get a bag. Hold on.